Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely amazing trade on Fartcoin. I'm showing you the before versus after on the charts right now, and the accuracy is undeniable. Yesterday we called a massive move that has now played out perfectly. The before chart showed a choppy ascending channel, and we knew the price was setting up for a sharp move. Our analysis was for a strong bullish bounce, and today, after a brief period of indecision, boom, the price has surged, following the exact path we drew out on the chart. This is a masterclass in reading market structure, even in highly volatile assets. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our groups, just click the link in the description. Peace out.